Welcome to the stream, everybody. My name is Nick Larson. It is Wednesday, October 9th, 2019. It is 12:03 in the afternoon. I'm like 3 minutes late. That happens every single time. But happy Wednesday, everybody. Let's get started. Today, I am going to finally write a chat bot for my own Twitch channel that I'm going to run locally whenever I'm streaming. And by write a chat bot, what I really mean is get started with a chat bot, because I don't actually know if we're going to succeed at this or not. But we're going to try our hardest here. I've never done this. I have never done this. So we're just going to see what we can get done. I also don't even know where to start. So we're just going to Google it, and we're going to see where it goes from there, right? You have an idea, you Google it. That's what we're going to do. Okay. Twitch chat bot. Twitch chat bot. The best bots for Twitch. Nightbot, the easiest Twitch bot to use, set up and run every single stream. Interesting. The best tools for Twitch. The best features and the ability to remove spam, be it URL links, excessive swearing, capitalization, and emoji use these are all customizable in case you love your community spamming chat with emotes and emojis. You can also set up Nightbot with timed messages to promote your other social media channels or Discord community. I see many using it to remind their chat about their fundraiser or latest YouTube video. You can also create regulars, which are essentially a form of moderators, which are exempt from the spam filters. That's interesting. Okay. So I do have Streamlabs, and I use Streamlabs for this, but I want to just replace it and have my own because I'm a developer and that's what I want to do. So let's see if I can say something like, I don't know, do we want to do this in C# or Python or what other language? I know mostly C#, so let's just stick with C#. C# Twitch chatbot, TwitchLib C#. Okay. 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 API pub sub twitchlib.extension. All right, client. Handles chat and whispered Twitch services. Yeah, that's the one, I think. Okay. How do we use this? Here we go. twitchlib.client. Seems pretty easy to set up. You just have a program, you create a bot, you force it to pause for some reason. It sort of does its thing. Okay, that's cool. Okay. I mean, this all seems fine to me. Let's what are we gonna do? Let's just get started with it, I guess. What do I have open here? Hopefully nothing. Oh, I have this Monte Carlo stuff I was working on. We'll come back to that. File, close folder. File, open folder. We're going to go culture of development, and we're going to say stream chatbot. Cool. Oh, yeah, you have to like actually create the folder called stream chatbot. There we go. And let's get a repo set up. Nope. I have to do this one off stream here because I don't want anybody to see my actual GitHub credentials, github.com. And then we're going to go to culture of development. And then we're going to go to culture of development. And then we're going to say new stream chat bot. This is going to be public. We're going to initialize it with a README. We're going to put a license of MIT. We're going to have a get ignore for visual VS, nope, code, nope. We're going to add our own get ignore later. We're going to add our own get ignore later. We're going to clone this. Actually, we're going to close this. We're going to open this folder. We're going to go to code, culture of development. We're going to delete this chatbot. We're going to go back. We're going to go clone. Because I don't use command line, I use GUIs. We're going to clone. That is taking longer than I expected. Culture of development, stream chatbot. Hey, all right. Okay, now let's open this up. Okay. Now, let's create a get ignore, which I can't do from here. We want to say icd/tool culture of development stream chatbot, and then we want to touch dot get ignore. There we go. Now we have a get ignore. Now we're going to go to, we're going to close that because I don't actually care about that anymore. We're going to go to getignore.io, one of my favorite sites, VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Then we're also going to get rid of C#, and we're also going to get rid of, what's the last one? .NET Core. Create. Control A, Control C, get ignore, Control V. There we go. Goodness me, look at all this crap. And that's it. Crazy. Okay, let's close that. Now, let's create a project. That's not what I wanted. Terminal, new terminal. There we go. Now what I want to do is basically say .NET version. Okay, we're on .NET 3. .NET Core 3. Then I want to say .NET new solution. Okay, now I want to say .NET new class lib, because all of this is going to live in a class lib. Name is going to be chatbot. I don't even know if this is going to work. Okay, great. It created a folder for us called chatbot. It put a chatbot.cs proj. Now I want .NET solution add reference Slash chatbot slash. Nope. It's the one thing that this is the worst about. Chatbot.csproj. What? Oh, I don't need reference. Seriously? Could not find... Oh. There we go. Okay, and now we ought to be able to say, like, .NET build. Okay. And now we ought to be able to say .NET run. Couldn't find a project to run. Well, I don't have a console project, so that actually makes sense. Okay. I'm going to say the first chatbot is just going to be a command line interface. Or do I want to make it like an actual server? Let's just have it be a console app. Yeah, let's just have it be a console app. Okay. .NET add .NET new console chatbot CLI I'm going to say chatbot.cli. Yep. Okay. We have a program. Now we ought to be able to say .NET new run build add chatbot.cli .NET build .NET run. Couldn't find a project to run. Ensure a project exists, or pass the path to the project using -- project. Sure. .NET run project chatbot.cli. Hello world. Okay, we're all good. Okay, this is great. We have an actual thing. That's awesome. All right, I just noticed I had a follow. I would like to say thank you so much for the follow, PD9608. I really, really appreciate that. I hope you found some useful information here, and hopefully you'll keep finding useful information as we go forward. In any case, let's keep grinding away. Okay, now what we need to do is go to the actual project, cd chatbot.cli .NET add reference. No, I don't even need to do. It's just / chatbot / chatbot.csproj. In this case, oh, add reference. I do need a reference. Okay. All right, now what we can do is actually like implement this. Cd dot dot cd space chatbot, and now what we want is .net add package, and we want to look up this Twitch lib. Should be a way to do this. NuGet, Control F. NuGet. Twitch lib. Goodness me, that just brought in a lot of stuff. That's okay. Twitch lib. Sure. Let's get rid of this class 1. Let's rename this to StreamBot. Twitch stream chatbot. Twitch stream chatbot. Now we want the old using twitchlib dot client, and basically we're just going to copy and paste this. That's my plan anyway. Pretty much just going to copy and paste this. Oh, don't do that. Come on. All right, connection credentials. Can you complete this for me? Yes, you can. What's your problem with these? There we go. On log args. I must have typed that accidentally. No? Oh, that's interesting. I want to say that that is a screw up. Bot username. Okay, let's do that. Let's take a look at the docs here. Oh, look at that. P username. We should just submit a change to this real fast, because that's frustrating. A little bit. Timeout user. Sure, whatever. Subscription plan. Oops. Well, that didn't work out like I thought it was going to. Starting to think that bot username was actually intentional. Okay, timeout user. It says there's 2 problems down here, but I only happen to see 1. Oh. What? What? I have clearly screwed this up. We're just going to repaste the whole thing. V. Great. Let's just copy and paste everything on the inside. Like that. And then I can come to here and to here. Okay. Now, subscription plan. Okay. And then this all works the same. Oh. On message received, on whisper received, on new subscriber, on connected. On connected. On joined channel. I don't know what these are. That's my short answer. Okay, what we're going to do oh, I get it. On connected on hey guys. I am a bot connected via TwitchLib. Okay. Bot connected and active. And actively listening. We should just make this message. Const string message. I don't even want a write line on this one. Well, I do. Connected successfully. Alright, whatever. Okay. On message received. Really what I want to do here is just console.writeLine of E chat message. Oh. Let's just do it like that. And see what it says. E. Hopefully these have overrides so they actually print out. On whisper received. Yep. We're going to comment this out. E.whisper message. On new subscriber. Um, 500 points? No, nothing like that. Console.writeLine e.subscriber. Okay. I guess that's it. I don't really know here. I don't really know here. Okay, let's figure out how to get some credentials in here. Yep, let's figure out how to get some credentials in here. And then let's move on from there. Environment. Get environment variable. We want var Twitch username. Let's go with Nick Larson bot username. And Nick Larson bot access token. And then we want this to be Twitch access token. Username. Access token. And actually, because this is mine, we're just going to hard code these. This is Nick Larson bot. And that one we are actually going to look up from an environment variable. And this one is going to be Nick Larson. Okay. And now, let's go look these things up. Talk directly. Sure. Nope, not what I wanted to do. Twitch authentication flow, courtesy of Swiffy Spiffy's Twitch token generator. Oops, we're going to want to do this one off screen. Up. There we go. I want a chatbot token. Yep. Log into chat and send messages. Yeah, that's what I want. Sure thing. Wait. Nope. Hold on, it's not what I wanted. Go back. Not you. I want to log in this, authorize, copy. Okay, now I want to go to environment, edit the system environment variables for your account. Okay, that was super dangerous. And we can delete this stuff. We can go to, all right, new. And I called this Nick Larson bot access token. Paste in the token. Say OK. There it is. Okay. And now we want to use this. So this should go out and get the environment variable that has this. Hooray. And I probably don't even want that. I probably want Twitch string Twitch username string Twitch access token. Actually, I just want username string access token and string channel. And then I can get rid of these two. And I can make this channel. And this is a little bit more reusable. Okay, now let's go to the program. Now let's go to var channel equals Nick Larson. And then let's say bot var Twitch bot equals new Twitch. Oh, I want new chatbot. Uh-oh. Chatbot. Oh, that's not. Oh, there it goes. It's finally figured it out. Twitch username. Twitch access token. Channel. Twitch bot. Wow, this thing is just busted. Let's do an old console.writeLine. No, read line. Probably just won't even read key, honestly. Does it connect automatically? Yes, it does. Okay, I mean, cd .net build. No warnings, no errors. .net run project chatbot.cli. Unhandled exception, null reference. Oh, that's right. Why does it have a null reference? Twitch username Twitch OAuth. Read access to check if a user is subscribed to your channel. Interesting. So let's just make sure. Console.writeLine $. There is an access token, and then what? String.is null or white space, or not string.is null or white space. Twitch access token. Okay, let's try that one more time. There is an access token is false. Okay, so getting the environment variable was a fail. Let me see if I can get the environment variable. Nick Larson bot access token. I'm going to switch screens for a second. So that I can check this. Environment variables. Performance environment variables. Let's go with edit. Okay. Let me just run a tool real fast. And say environment.get environment variable. .dump. What's the problem? What's the problem? Oh no, it's there. I'm just right now trying to see why it's reporting that there is no environment variable here. Interesting. Let's do it like this. I'm going to guess that this is... I'm going to guess I need a new terminal because the environment variables didn't update for this one. So we're just going to say plus, and then we're going to delete the old one. And then we're going to say .NET build and .NET run project. Here we go. Back to the actual code stuff. Project chatbot.cli. Why is it saying there is an access token false? Like, what isolated environment is this thing in? Weird. So weird. Let's start it new. Terminal. .NET Run. Required assets to build and debug. Yeah, sure. Go ahead and add them. Whatever. .NET Run project chatbot.cli. Hey, there it goes. All right. Twitch chatbot connected and actively listening. This is me. All right, we got a private message, and the printout for it is kind of silly and not that awesome, but it works. And it's got the right name. It's reporting under the right name. It's connected. Now, great. What we want to do is go figure out how to say hi when people stop by. That's what we're trying to do. Let's have it be something like people that we've seen today. All right, we want to record people that we have seen today. And the first time somebody says hi, ask them like the question of the day or something. Okay. All right, let's kill this. Unfortunately, the chat message doesn't seem to have what I would like it to have. Received, badge info, display name, emotes, flags. I wonder if we throw up an emote, what happens? If we're like, hey, Kappa, lol. Let's restart the bot here. And maybe let's throw one of our own in here. Oh, I see. It says everybody who has joined. Got it. Chat. Emote only. Emote only. 1. Emotes 25 colon 04. I guess you have to go look these up. So this is probably my user ID, and this is probably the actual emote name. I don't know. Oh wait, user ID, emote name. Okay. And this thing spit out a chat message. Oh, here it is. Kappa lol. Nick Low 6 brain. Okay, I think I'm starting to understand this a little bit. So you're getting back some information about the emotes. You're getting back a bunch of stuff. Flags, ID, whether they are a subscriber or not, so you can decide whether you want to show them with some flair. TMI. I don't know what that is, just a timestamp. I don't know what turbo is. User ID. 61 something. Alright, I don't know what these emotes are. User type. No information. And then the actual message sent. Okay. And then someone else joined the chat. Okay, I'm totally understanding this. Oh yeah, bot time is fun time. So this is my first one. I've never actually done anything like this, but yeah, good to see you. We're like just getting started here. I just got it to the point where it'll connect, and now I want to do something that a lot of people on the coding team, the live coders team, have been doing, which is when somebody comes in to just announce and be like, "Hey, what's up?" You know, the first time we see them, something along those lines. So that's really the only thing I'm trying to achieve today, and that's it. So when you get a message, I don't even care about this on log stuff anymore, other than to be able to see it, but I don't even really care about this. So we're going to say no to that. And then we're going to say, actually, an easier way to do this is to get rid of this one. And then on connected, finish channel joining queue, I guess. Unaccounted for, user state, badge info. Okay, so I guess there's an on user state. Oh, here it is. Okay. On joined channel args. Connected successfully. All right. Connected to. On joined channel. Hey, Steinel PhD. Thank you so much for the follow. I really, really appreciate that. Today we're working on some chat body stuff here, and that's it. What have you been up to? Right now, I'm really just trying to understand. Connected to Nick Larson. Okay, so this is the on connected. And then there's a bunch of crap sent back. I guess what I really want is like on error, which will almost certainly just throw an exception at this point, so maybe I don't care about it. Hey, what's up, CCR? How are you doing? I really appreciate you stopping by today. I hope everything's going well for you. I'm just going to turn off all of these. I don't actually care about whether or not I'm connected. Like, they don't do anything. I've been applying to jobs. Oh, interesting. What sorts of jobs are you applying to? Oh, as advised by me. Goodness me, if I have forgotten you, I apologize. The name isn't really standing out to me. Struggling with a Haskell code base. I don't understand. I envy you for your debugger. Oh, you're one of my mentee. The name's still not standing out to me. Oh, Sashir, awesome. Okay, that is standing out to me. So how are things going? Are you getting any callbacks? Are you getting like any sort of response at all? Is there anything I can help with? Because I would be more than happy to keep going. Let's see. Oh, great. What sorts of jobs are you looking for, just out of curiosity? I was not able to crack some of the coding first rounds. Well, that is something I can also help you with. Very recently, in fact, I did an entire... I'm going to find this real fast. Streams. How to study. How to study effectively. One of the questions is, how do you study for a test? Nope. Cover letters and pseudo polynomial. Nope. I'm gonna find this real fast. So I recorded YouTube, my library, my channel, videos. I recorded technical interview prep. This was me writing the blog post. Where was me? '59. Technical interview blogging prep. 58. Technical interview blogging prep. Mentorship Monday. How to get ready for your next interview. All right, this is the one right here. So I recorded this video, and we don't. Maybe I should actually find out when the cohorts are. Here we go. I don't even want that. I just want this. All right, welcome to the stream, everybody. My name is. Let me turn this off here. So here's a link to a video that we recorded on stream. It's about an hour and a half. If you watch it in double speed, it's quite understandable, with the exception of some parts. At the beginning of it, I talk about how you actually prepare for some of the technical parts of the interview, and then at the end, I walk through and do a couple of like online code challenge questions, like on stream, and you'll see that like, you know, even me as somebody who has been programming for like, I don't know, more than 20 years and more than 12 professionally, like I still just run into problems. The real trick is how to not get derailed when you run into problems, and how to analyze the problems to make sure that you're moving in a direction that's going to reach a solution. And so hopefully like start with that. If you still have questions after that, I would be more than happy to like get in and do like some one-on-one time with you. And we can actually work through some problems together, and I'll show you, you know, everything that I know about like when you get into an interview situation, how you can not get derailed, how you can keep making progress, and how you can show what you know to the person who's interviewing you, in a way that even if you don't get to the end of the problem, they will see that you have a methodical approach to problem solving, which is worth so much more than people who just sit down and they either just get it or they don't. All right, I was not able to crack MERN stack dev job. That's cool. But I have tried many coding interview questions. Wanted to see you after many days. Okay, that's awesome. Yeah, like I said, I would be more than happy to like jump on and do some one-on-one time with you, if you have questions. So just send me an email, and I'll be more than happy. Or you know, reach me on Twitter if that's where we were talking. That might have been where we were talking. Check that real fast. Twitter, DMs. Nope, must have been email. Okay, yeah, just send me an email. I will be more than happy to like give you however much time you need to get you set up so we can get you through some. Perfect. And if you have any questions now, you know, drop them in chat. I'd be more than happy to help. I'm working on a chat bot. Maybe it'll all play fun together and we can come up with something interesting to tack onto this. Okay. Twitch lib client models chat message. Great. Twitch lib client chat models. Let's go to... Like I said, I just want to get rid of all this crap because I don't actually care about logging that I joined a channel. I don't actually care about getting a whisper. I don't care about subscriptions. I don't care about being connected. Actually, I sort of do care about being connected. Just in the... Well, no, I guess even the other one, just like the log thing will tell me that I have been connected. No, because I turned the log off. Okay, so let's just say a thing so that we know we're connected. And then on message received, and to make this easier, we're going to just comment these out. Let's close this for now. Let's close that out. connected successfully. Actually, that already tells us that we're connected successfully. So I don't even need this. Is it joined channel? Client chat message received. Client whisper received. KC. The most hard part for me has been to make my solutions efficient during tests. For larger input, I am always able to get the working solution, but not able to convert them to efficient in the limited time that I receive. So that is very specifically what I cover in that video that I just linked to you, which is the way that you want to approach problems. And a lot of it just comes down to a couple of things. And it's so funny. It is so funny that, like, all of these online tests that you might take, or like almost all first interviews, are literally just checking whether or not you know how to use a hash. If you know how to use a hash or a dictionary or a set, you know, those sorts of things, which are all hash based, then the efficiency goes through the roof. And that is literally all they're checking for. And I cover exactly how to do that in that video. And again, more than happy to dive into it more if you don't. So basically, hashing for most of those problems lets you go from having like nested loops to having just a single loop that does a lookup. And the lookup can be done in O1 time instead of ON time. So instead of having an ON solution, you have an and instead of having an ON squared solution, you have an ON solution. And that's like literally all they're checking for. Once you practice that and get that like 5 or 6 times, you will just never have problems with those first interviews again. All right, on new subscriber. You know, we're going to bring all this back later on because I just don't care about it right now. All I really care about is on message received, and I think that's it. And we're just going to delete the rest of these. That's it. That's all we're going to do. We're just going to delete the rest of these. It's going to be the smallest chatbot ever. It's literally just make a Twitch client, initialize it, do this on message received, and then connect. Just a bot heads up, whispers are not supported on new accounts as far as I know. Calvin Allen was trying to send whispers and it wouldn't permit him to send them. I know you're not trying to do that, but worth sharing. No, I really appreciate that. I have no idea what this chatbot will eventually turn into. Right now, it's just one thing, but it is nice to have one less roadblock to run into. So thank you so much, TBD Gamer, for that information. All right. We have the chat message. Unfortunately, the chat message does not, let's just say, private string format chat message. Actually, I don't even care about this. Maybe I do want... Okay, let's bring these back. Alright. I want not these. I want this log one. We're going to bring back the log one, and the rest of them we'll leave alone. Because that is going to print it out in some way that makes sense to me. And the rest of these don't. Don't care about client connected. Whatever, we'll leave that one. Client on joined channel. No. Nope. Client on message received. There we go. Okay. Now, when this thing loads up, I want it to go hit the API. Yes, I would love to work with you again on problems. At the moment, I have come to I have come home to recharge myself. It's festival season here. That's awesome. That is awesome. Definitely take breaks. And then whenever you're ready, just send me an email and I'll be happy to like schedule some time. We'll get on a call and work through things. All right. When this thing loads up, I want to go and get all of the people who are part of the stream team. That's what I want to do. Let's just have something like this is a hash right here. Hash set string team members. And here we're going to have to pull in system.collections.generic. And now what we're going to say is private static hash set string load team string channel. And hopefully we can get from the channel to the stream team. And for this, for now, we're just going to have return new hash set string that's empty. And in here, let's do the old private void initialize Twitch client. And this is going to be like this. And then we're just going to copy these. Initialize Twitch client. This is going to be username, access token, channel. And then in here, we're going to put all of that crap. And then in here, we're going to have initialize team. We'll just follow this pattern. Private void initialize team channel. And then here we're going to have team members equals new hash set string whatever. Okay. And then down here we're going to have on message received. We're going to have if e dot chat message dot user name, and then we're going to have if team members dot contains, then we want to say client dot send message e dot chat message dot channel. Ah, crap. See, this is the problem. Right here, I need to go look at the example again. Send message. Oh, this doesn't help at all. E.chat message dot message dot chan. What is message? It's a string. Are there overloads to send message? Yes, there are. Hey, all right, I can just pass it. Okay. E dot chat message dot channel. And then here we want to say welcome. Let's $sign this here. Welcome e dot chat message dot username from the string team name. Team name equals null. All right. From the team name team. All right, so the idea here is we're going to, at the very beginning, load up all of the members of the team and the team name, and then we're going to give them a shout out. And then we're going to just do bang shout out, which is going to send a message to their channel. All right, welcome blot from the whatever. And then we also need a hash set string announced team members. Okay. Announced team members equals new hash set string. And we want and announced team members dot contains e dot chat message dot username. And I am using this so many times that I'm going to just make a thing about it. We're going to say var username equals this. Username. And then here we're going to have not announced. So if the person is part of the team and they have not been announced, then we're going to say to announce them and announce team members dot add username. And this is now going to be just username. And username. Okay. And this will take care of only announcing them one time. So now the only thing that we need to do here is set it up so that we actually do all of the loading. So let's go see how we do the loading. API. I'm going to guess it's API. API teams. That's it. Teams. Let's go to the API. Okay. We need a Twitch API. Sure. Live stream monitor? I'm not sure that's what I want. I think I just want the API. twitchlib.api. Whoops. And then we want Twitch API. API. What? What kind of... What? What? There we go. Goodness me, that was weird. Uh, and then in here, we want to initialize Twitch client, but instead we're going to say Twitch API. And we'll figure out what we need to put there in just a moment. Twitch API. And then we don't need any of this yet. Okay. And I don't want a live monitor. I don't really want to live monitor. All right, Twitch API, api.settings.clientid.access token. Sure. Look at all that white space. I should call this Twitch API. No, I'm just going to stick with API. Okay. Hey, Codephobia, what's up, man? How are you doing? I am currently trying to do the thing that everybody does, where you write the chat bot that announces people on your team. And I am currently at the part of, I have got the chat bot set up, and I've got all of the logic in here for actually announcing the users and giving them the shout out command. And now the trick is I am trying to go to the API, which I believe is the correct way to do it, and grab the information about the team when the chat bot starts up, and maybe, you know, refresh it on a timer or something, but right now just when it starts up. That's my plan. That's my plan. If you've got input on ways that might be easier, or if I'm doing anything wrong, then that would be awesome. String client ID, string access token. I use the Teams endpoint on the API. Okay, well that sounds like we're on the right path here then. I don't want a live stream service, I just want an API. Okay. Wait, what the hell? API. V5? Helix? I don't even know which one of these it is. Well, V5 is 8 months ago and Helix is 4 months ago. Helix? I don't see Teams. Users? Twitch APIs are bad. Get user followers. Anything to do with team? Nope. Okay. Helix? Bits, clips, entitlements, games, subscriptions, users, webhooks. I'm gonna guess it's not Helix. Core? API base? Oh, great. Rate limiter, internal, extensions. Use Helix. Streams. Teams. No idea which one of these it'll be in. It would be way too easy. Whoa. Not what I meant to do. Great. I might just be firing off. You know what? We have this open. Why don't we just do api.helix.teams? Oh, that would have been way too easy. Maybe it's just not in TwitchLib yet. Get bits leaderboard async. Twitch get generic async. I could load the whole thing up and search for /teams. That might be the way to go. Let's go to Twitch API. Let's go to here. Let's go to TwitchLib. Let's go to clone. Let's go to my thing. Let's go to code. What would we call this? Talks, tools, Visual Studio. Yeah, let's just put it in here. Clone. Thanks. Okay. So that Teams reference. Oh, this is Kraken? Is Kraken different than Helix? If you're using v5, you have to make sure you send the v5 header to indicate that you're not using Kraken is v5, Helix is the new. Know that v5 is deprecated? So does the new Twitch API? Oh shit. Reference? Teams. Streams. Tags. Oh, it's not there. Does that mean it's just like undocumented? V3 is end of life, V5 is deprecated, but they have no date on removing it because many features aren't in Helix yet. Okay, so this is going to end up being in not Helix, but V5. Dot. And there it is. Check credentials. Get team. Oh, great. I feel like we're about to... I would hope so. Okay. So get team async. And the team name. Shit, I gotta know the team name. How can I get the teams of a user? Get all teams. Well, that would have been way too easy. Get access token. Let's go take a look at these. I want to go from a channel name to There's just get all teams and get team. Okay. So I can't say like give me a user and then get me. I can't say get a user and then give me all of their teams. I can't go that direction. Can I do that? Users. Get user. Get user block list. Create user. What the hell? Delete user connection. Get user. Sure, what comes back with it? Gets a user based on the OAuth token provided. Okay. So I feel like I'm gonna have to go to create an API token. Is there edit user email broadcast subscription channels? Um, you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna hard code it. Right? It's about making progress and getting done, and I've got about 30 more minutes before I got to bail for today. So we're just gonna do what we have to do. That's it. That's the API. We need a client ID. We need an access token. And I'm gonna guess that these are totally different than the ones that I use for the chatbot. True or false? Because I don't even have a client ID. So I got to go get a client ID. So let's go to Twitch. Twitch.tv. And I am currently logged in as you. And let's go to settings. And let's go to maybe there's a developer website. More. Add choices. Developers. Log in with Twitch. Yes, that's me. Authorize. Okay, your dashboard. Create an application. I'm going to change my screen real fast in case something accidentally pops up. Here we go. Here's my client ID. Yes. Which I am going to have to also hit up. Okay. Nick Larson bot client ID. All right, environment variables. Environment variables. You need a token for the bot to communicate. You can use the client ID for making API requests. You need a token for the bot to communicate. You can use, oh, so I just need a client ID. I don't actually need the access token. OAuth token increases the rate limit. Is that what the client secret is on the applications page on dev.twitch.tv? No. So I get the client ID from there, but then I get the OAuth token from the other place? With only a client ID, rate limit is 1 every 2 seconds. With it, you can make 2 every second. Well, that's a big difference. New. Nick Larson. Bot. Client ID. Okay. Token gen. Okay, I'm dragging this over now. Client ID. Scopes. You will first need to register an application in your Twitch account settings to obtain a client ID and enter the redirect URL below. You can leave scopes blank and change your redirect URL on your app to match the token generator. Let's do that. Twitch developers. How can I edit this? Oh, just like that. How do I save it? Ah, there you go. You have to click that button. Okay. Authorize. Okay, OAuth token. Okay. Nick Larson bot API access token. Okay. Edit. Let's copy this. Okay. Let's say okay. All right, now we can switch back to the full screen here. And I should be able to do something like program client ID API access token. API client ID API access token. There is an access token. Yes or no? There is a client ID. There is an API access token. Okay. And then the team name equals, oh, I don't actually know this one. Live coders. That's a little bit more difficult actually. We have to log out. We have to log back in. Oh, really? You're gonna make me... Okay. Connections? Is that Teams? No. Channels and videos? Permissions. Profile accent color. Video banner. My teams. Live coders. I'm gonna guess it's just live coders. Oh, there it is. You gave it to me. Live coders. Thanks again. This is going so much faster because you're here. Twitch. I don't even want this anymore. Now I want to put channel team name Twitch username Twitch access token Twitch API client ID Twitch API access token. Okay, client ID access token team name string API client ID string API access token channel string team name. Okay. Team name. Initialize Twitch API. API client ID. API access token. Client ID access token. Hoorah. Initialize team. Not channel. This is going to be team name. Now, this should be as easy as... this is going to be... This is async. Fun. Okay, we're going to have var team members team task equals api.v5.teams.getTeamAsync. And this is going to be team name. And then we're going to have team task dot get a waiter dot wait. Wait, get a waiter dot get result. All right, if team dot team, I'm going to guess that this fails really poorly. And there's not a lot I can do about that. You know what? We're just going to assume that it succeeded. That's just what we're going to do. Okay, team dot display name And then we're going to have team.users dot, what the hell? Channel. Okay, sure. For each var channel in team.users, team members dot add channel dot name. Okay. This is really crappy because this happens inside of a constructor. So instead of having this be like this, we're just going to have this be initialize. Alright, it is better to use the ID. You will run into case issues. Also, usernames don't necessarily match channel names. Interesting. Okay. Channel. So this means whenever somebody comes in, I then have to, and sends a message, I then have to fire off a request to the API to go get that person's ID, or will it give it to me in here? e.chatmessage.user ID. Hey, all right, there we go. Okay, perfect. Let's undo that. Say var user ID equals this. And here I'll just swap these out for user IDs. And here we'll put user ID. So I'm announcing them by their username. Will this work correctly? Will this still link to the correct one? Nah, the lib probably has, okay. And then maybe they have like a use e.chatmessage. Nope, we're just gonna have to stick with it like that. Yep, that's just how we're gonna have to stick with it. Okay. This is progress. Welcome. We're now checking based on user IDs. I want to add in the channel.id. Oh, shit. Channel.user ID. Oh, that would have been way too easy. Here's a better way to do this anyway. Here's a better way to do this anyway. Let's make this a dictionary. Of string to channel. Shit, what is this? What am I getting back here? Channels.channel. Okay. And now right here. We can make this a dictionary. And then I can say channel.user, channel. Is this the same ID as the user ID? The channel ID? Okay, and then channel. And now when I do my lookup later on, we can say this is contains key. What? Oh wait, I got those backwards. Contains key. Contains user ID. And now instead of doing the bang shoutout command, I can just directly do it. We can say they are awesome and you can check out their channel at, and you should check out their channel at, okay, var channel link equals team members user ID dot the hell, I had it just a second ago. URL. Okay, channel link. Okay, channels are just users. Okay. We have loaded the team. We have made a dictionary of all of the user IDs to the information that we know about their channel. We have then said, when we get a message, we're going to see if they're part of our team. And if they are, actually we're going to do this simple check first because this check is faster. Although the vast majority of people chatting you would hope would not be from your team, I just feel like, I don't know, this is like micro optimization at this point. Whatever. Let's just put it back. Okay. So if they are on your team and we have not announced them already, then we're going to grab their username. We're going to grab their channel link. We're going to announce them as part of this team. Hey, buddy, what's up?
Dada.
Yeah.
I want you to get me out of this like little mountain when you're done.
I will have to do that when I'm done. It's going to be about 20 minutes. Can you go upstairs and wait, please?
That's a lot of minutes.
I know, dude, and I'm in the middle of work. Do I come to your school and interrupt you when you're busy at school?
No.
Okay, stop playing with my stuff. I'll be up there soon, okay?
Okay.
All right, did you have a good day?
Yeah.
All right, cool, man. I'll see you in just a few. All right, so then we say client.send message, welcome this person from the team name which we have. Oh, wait, crap. This isn't going to work out really well. Wait, did we update this right? Yeah, display name. We got the display name. Okay. They are awesome and you should check out their channel at this channel link. Yep. All right. Initialize Twitch client is initialize. So now we need to go back to program, and this is going to just be this. And then we're going to say Twitch bot dot initialize. And then I think for the sake of argument, I want to just go ahead and make a connect call as well to be separate. I really don't like this. We're going to say public void connect chat. Okay. And then we're going to say Twitch bot Connect chat. That was quite a lot of changes. Let's see if it worked. Wait, no, let's just have it announce something so that I know how many people there were. Okay. Console.writeLine identified team members dot count members on the team name team. That way we'll be able to tell that it actually did something interesting. Let's give it a go. One warning. Team name is never assigned to. Well, that is concerning. This dot team name that's really kind of crappy how I did that. Is it a team ID or is it just like, what is the actual team thing that we're looking up here? It is a team name. How can I get information about it? Like if I click on this. Oh, I see. It's the URL. It wants the URL. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. I mean, I'll take it. There is a human readable version of the name, and the URL is the one that is used for the API call. Okay, we're going to call this string team URL slug. There we go. Okay. I feel better about that. And then in here, we'll call this team URL slug. Team URL slug. Okay, perfect. .NET build. That was a solid warning. It definitely prevented this thing from not working. Oh shit. That's a fail. Alright. Oh yeah, this happened last time. We have to restart this. Okay. Then change in the var name in the init. Right. Change. Oh, yeah. Team URL slug. Team URL slug. Good call on that one. .NET build. .NET run project chatbot.cli. Identified 82 members on the live coders team. Hey, what's up? Welcome Code Phobia from the live coders team. They are awesome and you should check out their channel at twitch.tv/codephobia. And it worked. That is awesome. Oh yeah, first try. No kidding. Wow. Okay. So many things about what I would want to do, but I mean, this is solid. I feel pretty good about this, to just be completely honest. I'm like super stoked about this. All right, now the concern is, well, I have a lot of concerns. I feel like for starters though, this is just gonna be it. Whoa, did you see that? It like reconnected. Or is there just like a heartbeat to like get the people info? That's crazy. Okay. Um yeah, I'm super stoked about this. This was awesome. That was actually much easier than I thought it was going to be. Like the hardest part was getting all of these tokens and secrets and IDs and whatever the other crap. And like, had you not been here, I would have been pulling my hair out over this one. So all of this is awesome, and I'm gonna go ahead and check all this in. That's what we're gonna do. Stream chatbot, commit, initial commit. Oh, well, that would be the second initial commit. So let's just say basic bot code. All right, loads the specified team members, listens to chat, announces a shout out when a team member talks for the first time. That was another thing. You have talked more than one time, and it is actually correctly capturing you. I think one thing that's dumb is it would capture me, right? Whoops. That's kind of silly. I should also make this so that it doesn't at. Yeah, you should add an ignore in the settings for your channel. I should definitely do that. Let's go ahead and do that real fast. That won't be long, right? The way that we're going to do that is we're going to have announced team members. And this is going to be channel string and crap. User and then right here we're just gonna have the old new channel, and then initialize team is also going to pass in the channel. Okay. Let's go ahead and kill this one more time so we can just make sure that that actually worked. I'm not sure that actually compiled, but we'll know in just a moment. Did it? Just kidding. I don't think that actually compiled. Or, oh no, my ID is different. Oh shit. So I gotta actually go and get my ID. Or we just say, if user dot display name equals channel, then announce team members dot add channel user dot ID. This is also pretty fragile, I would imagine. But we're going to roll with it. Me? Hey, all right. Let's try you. One time. Make sure I didn't add everyone. Hey, all right. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. Refresh. Stage it. Announces a shout out when a team member talks for the first time since the bot was loaded. Okay, that's it. Ignores the channel owner. That's cool. Let's push it. Push it real good. Hey, this is awesome. Okay, and now I really do have to do and now I really do have to go because it's 2 o'clock. So thank you so much for coming and hanging out. And that's pretty much going to be it. Yeah, man, I can't thank you enough. Like, you really saved me a lot of time. I don't think I would have gotten done with this. And yeah, y'all have a good rest of your day as well. I really, really appreciate it. You know what? That is one more thing I want to add real fast. Is that at symbol. At. I wonder if I can linkify this. Can I linkify a name? Does it accept Markdown? That would be way too cool. No, it's not gonna take Markdown. But it would be cool to like link the live coders team. I'm not gonna worry about it. Whatever. Yep, not gonna worry about it. Okay. All right, perfect. And that's gonna be it. There's only 5 of us here, and 3 of them are my bot and y'all two, which I can imagine y'all know how to find another stream. So I'm not gonna raid anybody today. But yeah, thanks again, and I will see y'all very, very soon. Y'all have a good one.